Hi, my name is Shannon Borden, and I'm an estate planning attorney here in Las Vegas. I get a lot of clients that want to know what comes with their trust plan besides the revocable living trust and incapacity documents. And with a fully customized plan from Borden Law, you do get a lot more. You will get a pour-over will, which is a document that ensures all of your assets go into your revocable living trust just as you planned. So sometimes we forget to transfer an asset, or we don't have time to transfer an asset. So a pour-over will is basically a safety net that allows us to get an order from a judge to place that asset into the trust and still bypass the probate process. In other words, a pour-over will keeps us from having to probate any asset left out of the trust, which ensures that your plan works the way that you need it to, the way that you set it up. You will also get fiduciary letters when you get a trust plan. So a trust is a completely private document. You don't need to file it or post it anywhere. You don't need to share it with anyone unless you want to. And the letters to your fiduciaries simply inform the people that you pick either as trustees or as agents for your medical or financial powers of attorney that they might have a role to play in your plan. That way, if you don't want to share your documents, these people will know you do have estate planning. And these letters let them know what to do, how to do it, and who to contact, that would be me, when the time comes. A personal property memorandum also comes with your plan. So this is where you get to set aside those special things for people. For example, collectible baseball cards, family jewelry, or wedding rings, antiques, or other things that you want to go to either your children or another family member or to a friend. And you can update this list whenever you like. Memorial instructions come with your plan as well. And this is a very good way to set everything up in advance so your family and your loved ones have all of the instructions for whether you want cremation or burial, whether you want a memorial service, or maybe you don't want anything at all. It's also where you get to tell your loved ones about your life and the things that are important to you to share. For example, where you went to high school, awards, community service, and anything else you want your loved ones to remember about your life. For married couples, your trust plan comes with a separate property agreement. That way, if you have an inheritance or other property that you want to keep separate from the marital or community property, you can designate that property and who it goes to. Funding instructions are also a very important part of your trust plan. So if you've watched the other videos in my series, you might have already learned about the importance of funding. But if you haven't, just briefly, funding is the term for transferring your property into your trust. In other words, if you think of your trust as a wagon, all of your assets have to go into your wagon for the wagon to work properly. Funding is the process of transferring your assets into the trust wagon. So whether you choose a plan where we do the funding for you, or a plan where you do the funding with our guidance, you will receive a complete set of instructions on how to fund or transfer each type of asset to your trust. I hope this explains a little bit more about your trust and your overall estate plan. But don't worry, I am still here to help you make informed decisions about your estate planning so that you have a fully customized plan for your unique family situation. That way you can ensure that everything happens privately, immediately, and in accordance with your wishes. And all of these important pieces of your trust plan are fully customized to you, just like your trust and your incapacity documents. And when you get a trust plan, you keep your loved ones out of court and out of conflict. Don't wait to get the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you and your loved ones are protected in the event of the unthinkable. Schedule your free consultation today. You can schedule an appointment online at www.bordenlawnv.com, or you can call my office at 702-582-9780. I look forward to seeing you soon.